Can you believe that with just a few familiar kitchen ingredients, you can create a completely natural care method that helps Anthurium stay greener, grow stronger roots, and bloom beautifully all year without using expensive chemical fertilizers? In today's video, I will guide you step by step in making a simple, affordable, yet highly effective natural fertilizer that helps your plant grow steadily, stay fresh, and remain full of life. Now I will use shallots to care for my Anthurium plant. First, I choose a fresh shallot, keep the outer skin on, and slice it into small, thin, even pieces so the beneficial compounds can be released more easily during soaking. Shallot is a very common kitchen ingredient, but few people know that it also contains natural compounds that may help support antibacterial protection, reduce fungal problems, and encourage healthier root growth. After preparing it, I place all the sliced shallot into a clean glass jar. The second ingredient I use is rice, a familiar ingredient that is also very useful for caring for Anthurium plants. Rice contains starch and some natural nutrients that may support beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, helping the roots absorb nutrients more steadily. I add 5 tablespoons of rice into the clean glass jar together with the shallot prepared earlier. Then, I pour about 1,000 milliliters of boiling water into the jar to help extract the beneficial compounds from the shallot and rice. Finally, I stir the mixture well, cover the jar, and let it sit for about 1 hour so the solution can be fully extracted before using it on the plant. Now I will use beer to care for my Anthurium plant. I take about 30 milliliters of beer, then dilute it with about 1,000 milliliters of clean water to make the solution gentler and safer for the plant. When properly diluted, beer may provide a small amount of organic nutrients, while supporting a more stable microbial environment in the growing medium. Finally, I stir the mixture well so the beer is fully mixed with the water before using it on the Anthurium plant. Step 1. I prepare a clean cotton pad, then soak it evenly in the beer solution that has been diluted with clean water. Next, I gently wipe the solution over all the Anthurium leaves, from the upper surface to the underside of each leaf. While wiping, I do it very gently to avoid scratching the leaf surface and to help the solution reach dusty areas evenly. The diluted beer solution can help remove dust, water residue, and some impurities from the leaves, making them look brighter and more breathable. When the leaf surface is clean, the stomata can function better, air exchange becomes more stable, and the plant can absorb light more effectively. Once diluted, beer contains a small amount of organic compounds and mild nutrients that may support the natural microbial environment on the leaf surface and around the plant. However, I only use a very diluted solution because if the beer is too concentrated, the leaves may become sticky or attract insects. After wiping, I let the leaves dry naturally in a cool, airy place and avoid strong direct sunlight so the plant does not get stressed. This leaf wiping step is like cleaning and refreshing the plant, helping Anthurium leaves look brighter while becoming ready for better photosynthesis to support healthy roots, leaves, and flowers. With this method, you should apply it about once every 7 to 10 days to keep Anthurium leaves clean, breathable, and support healthier plant growth. Step 2. After wiping the leaves, I pour the diluted beer solution into a clean spray bottle. Next, I gently spray a fine mist over the entire Anthurium plant, from the upper and lower leaf surfaces to the stems and the area around the base. Spraying the diluted beer solution helps lightly moisten the leaf surface, rinse away remaining fine dust, and make the plant look fresher. Beer contains a small amount of organic nutrients, and when properly diluted, it may support the microbial environment around the plant and help the leaves maintain better vitality. I only spray a very thin layer and avoid spraying too much, so that leaves do not stay wet for too long, become sticky, or attract insects. With this diluted beer spray method, you should apply it about once every 7 to 10 days to keep the Anthurium clean, fresh, and growing more steadily. After spraying, I place the plant in a cool, airy spot so the leaves can dry naturally, helping the Anthurium stay cleaner, fresher, and photosynthesize more steadily. After 1 hour of soaking, the shallot and rice have released many natural nutrients such as starch, B vitamins, and a small amount of gentle minerals, which are very useful for Anthurium growth. At this point, I use a strainer to remove all the shallot, pieces and rice grains, keeping only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid. Then, I mix this shallot and rice extract with the diluted beer solution prepared earlier. The combination of these natural ingredients creates a gentle plant care mixture, free from harsh chemicals, plant-friendly, and helpful for supporting more stable root, leaf, and flower growth. Step 3. After mixing the shallot, rice, and beer solution, I will water this mixture directly over the entire growing medium of the Anthurium plant. I water slowly and evenly around the base so the solution can soak into the growing medium and help the roots absorb nutrients steadily. Shallot may help reduce fungal problems, rice provides starch and B vitamins, while diluted beer adds a small amount of organic nutrients to the plant. When used properly, this mixture helps keep the root environment more stable, supports healthy root growth, and helps the plant produce greener leaves and more consistent flowers. Next, I will let the Anthurium soak in this mixture for about 10 minutes, then allow the growing medium to drain completely. After soaking the plant in the nutrient mixture for about 10 minutes, I gently lift it out and place it in a spot with indirect light. Step 4. I use a soft, clean, absorbent cloth to wipe away any remaining water on the leaf surface. I gently wipe from the upper surface to the underside of the leaves, paying special attention to the leaf joints and stems where water can easily collect. Drying the leaves helps reduce mold, mealybugs, leaf rot, and white water stains left behind after moisture evaporates. When the leaves are clean and dry, the Anthurium can breathe more naturally, photosynthesize more effectively, and maintain a healthy glossy green appearance. After wiping, I place the plant in a cool, airy spot with indirect, light and gentle airflow so the leaves can dry completely and naturally. With simple ingredients like shallot, rice, and diluting beer, we can create a natural Anthurium care method at home that is gentle for the plant and does not require strong chemical fertilizers. With a little time, patience, and love for your plant, the Anthurium will respond with glossy green leaves, stronger roots, and more beautiful flowers. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you find this method helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to follow more natural plant care tips in the next videos.